42 laws of Ma'at. You have never done these things because you are not human. And this illusion is just a construct of memories that never existed.
Gotcha, bitch.
Your body is here, but your soul, your true being, never had human or guilty demiurge thoughts. Your ego is a lie. As in Joe's case, he feels like he has to come back to prove his worth and be the jazz musician he always wanted to be. You seminar. Your goals, job, aspiration as a human doesn't make you who you are. These passions and needs to be something on this existence is demiurge thinking, demiurge energy. Praying, my niggas, you just praying. And praying leads to be preyed on. P-R-E-Y. On your being. Sucking and keeping you trapped in this worry, fear, and circle of life energy. Your soul, training to be a human, is laughable at best. Showing you how to worship and praise at the U seminar? Yeah. Where's the laugh sound effect? There it go. You are an infinite magical being. You are a multi-dimensional chaos being. You are the greatest greatness. The all. The Alpha and Omega. The Prince of Zamunda. And you don't have nothing to prove to nobody. I am that I am. God. Titan. Chaos being. Dream wise.